This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Christina DiFilippo. Wow! Talk about attention to detail. This 3-bed 2-bath home has so much to offer and is totally move-in ready. The back sunroom could serve as a dining room or office. The basement has a spacious rec room and laundry room. Outside the back door is a great flat lot with privacy fence, outbuilding, patio and hot tub. For more information, review the details below or contact Christina DiFilippo at 304-201-7653.